Bangkok is alive from the very first moment of the day. There's the sounds and the scents and there's spirit, and it all comes together right here.
It is the world's most intoxicating cuisine. Unapologetic, spicy, essential. Americans don't just eat Thai food, they crave it. But there is a gap between the streets of Bangkok and the kitchens of the world. But don't worry, one chef is here to help.
Today we're celebrating the sea. We've got a fish that is just drenched in lime and chili, prawns that are baked with noodles until they're fragrant, and a crab that is in a curry that is smooth and unforgettable. And we're going to serve it all up on a plate for you.
Daniel Green, the culinary diplomat, the man who has cooked for royalty, designed menus for global airlines, and literally wrote the book on Thai cooking.
Well, if I told you at the beginning of the show I'm going to make steamed fish, you'd probably be like, nah. Oh, look at the color of that. Just beautiful.
It's quite easy to make at home. I'm going to show you a fast track so it will remind you of Bangkok if you've never had it before, and if you haven't, you've got to give it a try. Happy?
I'm very passionate about this one. Let's take lots of that lovely coconut milk, the crisp vegetables, you don't want to overcook those.
10 episodes, 3 accessible recipes per show, 1 massive, hungry audience. From the heat of the night market to the heart of the home, this is where you learn what "swicy" means. Healthy, authentic, and perfectly crafted.
So buckle up on the next Let's Eat Up Thailand.
Eat Up Thailand. The next great culinary escape is here. Are you coming with us?